Begin by gathering all required ingredients for the wraps. Essential components include cooked rice and boiled beans, either red or black. Prepare cooked chicken or beef strips as the protein filling. Additional ingredients are tortilla wraps, shredded cheese, salsa or tomato sauce, chopped lettuce, and sour cream or mayonnaise. Gently warm the tortilla on a pan or griddle over medium heat. This warming process is essential for achieving optimal tortilla pliability. Warming prevents the tortilla from tearing when folded. Heat each side of the tortilla for a few seconds. The tortilla should become soft and flexible to the touch. Ensure even heating to maintain uniform texture and prevent burning. Begin by laying a warmed tortilla flat on a clean, dry surface. In the center of the tortilla, add a layer of cooked rice as the base. Follow the rice with a layer of beans, spreading them evenly. Add your choice of meat, such as seasoned chicken or beef, on top of the beans. Complete the layering with lettuce, cheese, and a dollop of salsa or tomato sauce, being careful not to overfill. The initial step involves folding the sides of the tortilla inward. This action should cover the filling placed in the center. Next, tightly roll the burrito from the bottom upwards. Ensure the filling is securely enclosed during the rolling process. The objective is to create a compact wrap. A well-sealed wrap prevents filling leakage and maintains structural integrity. The assembled burrito should be lightly grilled on each side. Grill each side for approximately 1-2 minutes until golden brown. Grilling seals the burrito, melts the cheese, and enhances flavor. Use a pan or griddle over medium heat for optimal results. Begin by cutting the grilled burrito in half diagonally. This cut reveals the layered fillings inside the burrito. Serve the burrito immediately after cutting to maintain optimal temperature and texture. Offer extra salsa or sour cream on the side as dipping sauces. These additions enhance the flavor profile and complete the dish.